Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to add on-chain network on OKX. First, open up OKX wallet and scroll down till the end and click on Manage Crypto. Then click on Custom Crypto. Then in Network, choose Base. Paste the on-chain network contract address which I have provided in the description. Now click on Confirm. And now you have successfully added on-chain network on OKX. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.